Introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing tool that enables computers to understand and generate human-like text. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, which uses deep learning algorithms to analyze large amounts of text data and learn patterns in language usage. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive corpus of text from various sources such as books, articles, and websites. This training allows it to understand the nuances of language and generate coherent, contextually relevant responses to user input. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by using a series of neural networks to analyze and process natural language input. When a user inputs text, the system first tokenizes the input into individual words and then maps these words onto a high-dimensional vector space. The system then generates a response by predicting the most likely sequence of words that would follow the user input, given the context of the conversation. This prediction is based on the probabilities learned during the training phase, where the system was exposed to a vast amount of text data. Applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has numerous applications in various fields such as customer service, education, healthcare, and entertainment. One of its most popular use cases is in chatbots, where it can be used to create intelligent virtual assistants that can answer customer queries and provide personalized recommendations. In education, ChatGPT can be used to develop interactive learning tools that can adapt to the student's level of understanding and provide real-time feedback. In healthcare, it can be used to analyze patient data and assist doctors in making diagnoses and treatment decisions. Benefits of ChatGPT. ChatGPT offers several benefits over traditional rule-based systems for natural language processing. One of the main advantages is its ability to generate human-like responses that are contextually relevant and engaging. This helps to improve user satisfaction and build trust with the system. Another benefit is its flexibility and adaptability. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific domains or tasks, allowing it to perform better than generic models. Additionally, it can learn from new data and continuously improve its performance over time.